Hi, Ls and Gs. My name is Bole. I hope you will enjoy playing with me. This was some test world. We're gonna create a new one so we can play in it. Create a new world. We'll call it Let's Play. It's not some. It's not. Uh, it's not some awesome world, but it will be a world. If you want to see it, we will get it, and I will copy it in a comment below. And it will be survival, it will not be hardcore, it will not be creative. And for the options, everything will be default. We don't want to do anything more of it, so we're gonna create a new world. It will be laggy just a little bit. If I do something stupid, please forgive me. I am new to this. We're gonna wait for a little while for a world to download, and it looks like we are off to a good start. For once we have the chickens, that will be very good, very good. We have mushrooms, so there are two sources of food, and we're gonna find some. We need to find a red mushroom, so we can make a stew. Stew is very good food, and the first thing that we have to do is getting some wood, since we never took any. And yes, finally, some achievements. Uh, as for me, I want to introduce myself. I'm new to this completely, so be gentle, please. Um, I hope that we will be uh, playing more and more games in future. That please bear with me if I'm slow, if I don't know, if I say something wrong, or I don't know anything else that I do. Uh, I love playing games, but if I say so myself, I will make mistakes. I promise. I always make mistakes. So I hope that you will enjoy in this. Uh, Besides Minecraft, we'll be playing a lot of games. Um, you will see which one of them. For example, I don't know. Maybe some older games that that I already played, but I want to play them again. Like I don't know, Limbo, or I don't know, uh, recently popular game Octodad. I would want to play that. Oh, we got the stone there. And I don't know. We must remember this place so we can get some chickens. Uh, Oh, we got chickens here already. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. That's fine. Um, something else about me. Uh, oh, we got the pigs. Oh, this is a lucky find. Very lucky find. Uh, maybe I should have. Maybe I should have just. How can I say that? I could mark my spawn point. I don't remember what my spawn point is, but it was around here somewhere. We're gonna hit F3, not screenshot. Um, X, Y, Z. That should be 000 if I'm not mistaken, but I'm always mistaken. So please forgive me. It was around here somewhere. Um, we're gonna make something, just a few planks, so we can mark our old spawn. We're gonna make a new spawn. with the bed, of course. And since we're new in this, I'm going to be brief about everything. I'm just gonna try to be brief about anything. Uh, if you guys want something more, or you want the episode to oh, cool, that's cool, that's cool. Oh, and we have zombies. But do we have a cave there? Oh, we have a dungeon. We'll see. Anyways, first of all, crafting bench. We're gonna use all the wood. We don't need it. We don't need all that wood anyway. We're gonna make planks. And first of all, for me, I love to make a pick. We're gonna make a sword. But why am I making a pick? So I can get a stone and make a better pick already. Uh, Anyways, as for the sword, I'm gonna wait for the iron. Iron will be soon, I presume. Maybe in this episode already. Uh, we're gonna use this wooden pickaxe for the dirt already, because we're gonna scrap it anyways. Oh look, there's a little friend. Hello, friend. Why are you burning, friend? Why? Why are you burning, friend? Why? Why are you burning? Don't burn. Oh, he died. Ah, give me that meat. Oh yeah, that juicy meat of yours. Oh no. Oh, that's a Slenderman. Get away from Slenderman, because Slenderman doesn't like us. Oh, hi, dude. Do you want some cake? There's no cake for you. Run away. No cake. Uh, Anyways, the Slenderman. We heard the Slenderman. Slenderman loves to visit us at homes at nights. He's a very creepy dude. But if you don't look him in the eye, he's just creepy, and that's everything. So, creepy dude, get away from us. What are we going to do in our world? We're gonna do all sorts of stuffs. I'm not into any particular thing, like building or redstone stuffs. So I'm going to do whatever falls on my mind. That means whatever and whatever. Uh, I'm gonna use this anyway. That's this pick, so I can at least have the coal, so I can bake. Uh, I mean, cook the piggies. Piggies are waiting for to be cooked and to be killed. I'm going to make. Oh, okay, cool. So, first of all, I didn't introduce myself. Uh, Hi, this is me. I'm Bale. I have a shirt, as you can see. My favorite shirt is checkered like this one. I have sneakers on all the time, and I've got jeans. And I wear glasses, just like my character in here. And as for the red tape around my red string around my wrist, I almost always wear that string about my wrist. So it has some kind of a little meaning to me. So I hope that you will enjoy in every little bit of Minecraft with me. Oh, not just Minecraft, but everything. Um let's make some torches. Well, why not? Because everyone needs torches when plays Minecraft. We're gonna put a little torch over here, and oh, we will need. It will be better to kill the piggies with an axe or with the sword. But I love the stone axe. I love the axe more than stone, more than sword. So I'm gonna use the axe for now. Hi pig. Okay, piggy die for a good cause. And there's another piggy. I'm gonna try to take 8 pieces of meat. Oh, just 5, and I'm not going to slaughter every single of piggies, but so we can have a little food around here. We didn't even make a not cauldron, but the oven. We're gonna make it right now. Uh, and this is a really good place for a start. I didn't presume that we're going to have this kind of a place. Where are we going to put our stove and all our stuffs? I don't know. Maybe look, it's Slenderman. Go away, Slenderman. We don't want you. He's burning up, so he's running away like a coward that he is. Yes, you are a coward. Go away. Oh, we've got water here. Okay, that's fine. And it's starting to get dark. I don't know where I'm looking. Oh, oh. Okay. I hope that some of the meat is fine. It's cooked. We have to eat, or we're going to die because all kinds of dangers are lurking in the shadows. Uh, we will just light up this this cave here. It's not much of a cave, but maybe we'll find some good stuff here. We will. We will do some of the latest survival Minecraft also. Uh, I love survival for a short period of time, and then I love to do something else. Because everything in the life gets boring. Okay, we will save this water. Maybe it will do us good sometime. Okay, there is no iron here, and I'm following the simple rule that I learned from Paul Source Jr. Simple rule is put your torches on the right side when you are uh, going into the cave. Why? So you can. I don't have pick on me. I will have to make one. It is very simple rule, and uh, it's easy to follow, because if you put the torches on the right side, when you come back you can follow them. There will be, what am I doing, dude? Oh yeah, getting an upgrade, and now we got a stone pick. Hey, why I don't I won't. I will not cut it off just right now. So that call is tempting, but we are not going to take another call for right about now. We will take if we find iron, but we didn't find iron. Okay, that's okay. We're gonna find it anyways. This cave is not that big. Uh, we can have some visitors very soon around here, just like that guy over there, or I don't know. It's pretty quiet. I don't like when it's quiet. It makes me uh, it makes me very edgy, you know. I don't know what to expect because there's nothing happening. It's just so quiet, and I'm gonna use this cave for now. Uh, as it was my home. Uh, let's block the exit for now. Do we have dirt here? No, we don't have any dirt here. I'm gonna use this. Oh, that was a mistake. Okay, take a little dirt, and listen well, because there is that greeny guy that we call a creeper. If he comes, then we are screwed, as some brothers of mine would say. Okay, for now, this is perfect protection, and this is perfect home. I can hear you, you know. Maybe he's on the other side. Maybe we can find him. Why not? Why not? If we have a dungeon here, that's really good place for a start, so we can get some XP, make a farm, or I don't know. Or maybe just we're just hearing them from the above. But this reminds me of my first night in Minecraft. I will talk you about that night. Uh, when I got into the Minecraft first time, it was creepy. It was very creepy. I didn't know what to do. Of course, like everyone else. Oh, oh no, no, that's not good. Like everyone else, at the first night, I died the first night. Yeah. Why did I die? I didn't have any food. I didn't have any tools. I didn't know how to make tools. I just entered the Minecraft and I was like, okay, now I'm going to play it. And I didn't know how to play it. If you don't know how to play Minecraft, that's a very, very hard game. Uh, Minecraft is not so hard when you know what to do. But when you don't know what to do, like everything else in life, it's very, very hard. Uh, oh, we got the dirt here. We're going to. We know that we have water here. Uh, it's a little quieter here. Just a second. We'll just put some little music, so it won't be just my voice and of the digging. Maybe there will be music. So it was. I died about not once. I died about 3 times that night. Uh, First of all, I don't remember if skeleton killed me or zombie or uh, everything was creeping me out. Zombies, skeletons, spiders, everything that came. And when I saw the wolf, I was like, oh god, now wolf is going to eat me. But because I didn't know anything, I thought that wolf will be biting me for my butts very soon and right away. But I found out that if I kick the wolf, then he will bite me. But I learned it the hard way. I didn't know what to do, and I just kicked the wolf, and wolf was I don't know. He was stronger than me. I didn't have any tools, so I could just punch him with my fist like this. But that was stupid of me. So for now, this will be our Let's Play world. Let's see. Maybe it's already light outside. I can hear the zombies. Maybe it's not, but we're gonna see. Oh, I forgot a piece of coal here. Let us see. It's night, like any night, dark and full of stars. Yes. So, uh, what now? I thought that this cave will be better. Why am I collecting all this stuff? I'm gonna use it for later. Because right now we don't have anything. We just have a little coal, as just a small amount of wood, just a little bit of cooked pork, and that's everything. Basically we don't have anything. It would be really nice to find some ores, uh, presumably iron ores, but for now coal is very good source. We need that kind of a coal. That means we have a cave here somewhere. We're going to find your cave. And yes, I just wanted to throw you away. Yes, I always want to throw away things. Anyway, we'll make some more sticks. No, why didn't I make more sticks? What am I doing, dude? Another pick. We're going to use this. We're going to use this pick for some time. I don't know. Sometimes I love to use this this uh, these picks. I feel like I'm not cheating. I don't know. You must put some effort in it so you can, I don't know, mine stuff. Or I must put the light here. I don't see anything. I hope that you guys will see everything that I do here in Minecraft. I'm trying to light things up. Again, that dude. He's going to bug me until I kill him, but I'm afraid to go outside because I'm afraid that everyone is going to kill me. But maybe we should be brave. Oh, oh. Did I see something green? Was it green from the... Maybe that was... Hi, guy. Will you come here? Come, guy. No, 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 not you, not you. We don't want that guy. No, 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 no. No, guy, don't kill us. Don't kill us, please. Okay, they are burning, but I'm afraid of that green guy. If he comes, he can take us real easy. See, he is so persistent, but I'm persistent also. Come, guy, come. Ah, run away, run away, run away. Run away like a little girl. Oh, look, it's a Spidey Spide. We'll kill you, Spidey Spug. Why? Because I don't have anything, and we need all kinds of stuff. Oh, there's another spider. Hi, spider. Come, come. Come see me, spider. I saw that green guy. Run away. And run away. There. Okay. We'll use that gunpowder one day. But for now we're just collecting stuffs. We're not going to kill any more piggies. Maybe we're going to... Did I see the red mushrooms, or that those are just poppies? X roses. Yes, they are just poppies. We don't need poppies right about now. Why am I climbing this mountain? I really don't know. Just so I can see stuff from a distance. There's nothing. There's not just that kind of stuff that I want here. I mean, we can make something real nice around these parts. I must eat because I'm going to die if I don't eat. I'm gonna take the oven. I mean, oven, stove, whatever. I'm going to take it with me, and I'm going to kill a few of these piggies because there are lots of piggies. Oh, the guy died. We're gonna save that meat. Oh, thank you, pig. You died for a good cause. You will be avenged. Don't you worry about a thing, pig. And you also don't run away from me. Everything is going to be fine. Not for you, but for everyone else. Especially me. Oh, 6 meat. Let's take at least 2 more meat. Okay, that's all. No more killing of the piggies. We're just going to explore a little bit around here. Do I see a red mushroom? Yes, I see the red mushroom. Come, red mushroom. Hoppa. I sounded like a Greek there. Oh god. I'm going to fall down. And I broke my legs. Oh yeah. Mushrooms for days. Now we have... I will save these 2 mushrooms. Because I'm going to make a mushroom farm. Oh yes. Cows. Cows are good nutritions. We just need some wheat. Wheat? As some of... Oh, sheep. Oh, source of meat, source of food, source of wool and everything. Oh yes. This is not so bad. This place is not so bad. Except there pumpkins, dude, pumpkins. If find a village, pumpkins will be a really good source of currency, just like the rotten meat of a zombie. I'm just going to take all these pumpkins since there's no mm, stack of them. Okay, I'm going to make seeds of them and then I'm going to plant them. But we have sheep here. We got pigs. I like this place. This place looks nice, very very nice. Maybe we'll make something out of it. I'll just eat a little. Um, this place looks really nice. I like it, except that water over there. Um, but oh, we'll use that little piece of seed that we found. Uh, that's better. Uh, Maybe we'll make something here, like some kind of a, like some kind of a, I don't know. Do we dare to make a castle here? Hmm. Looks like a good place, but it will be a real good and real better if we had a village around here. That would be really good. But chances that we have a village around here are very slim. I can look around, of course. God, this is so tall mountain. Although, if we find uh, okay, if we find a zombie villager, we can make our own. We don't have to to have uh, a village that is naturally spawned. We can make our own. Since this is already a snowy area, uh, we can. I don't know. Maybe we can make something here. And for now, since I like this place, looks very very nice. Uh, oh, dude, what are you doing here, dude? No, don't kill me. Whoa, 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 whoa! Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm going to kill you. Uh, oh, oh, is that a cave? Oh no, 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 it's not a cave. It's just a hole in the water. Maybe here there is something. No, there's nothing here. No, no, I don't know where I am. Uh, we will use this also. Uh, I don't know what I'm going to do here, but it looks like a really nice place for a castle. Uh, we'll just flatten this out somewhat. No, we're not going to flatten it all out. Don't worry, I'm going to do it on a camera. But for now, uh, this looks like a good place, and since I think that this episode is getting a little bit long, I'm going to end it around here. I hope that you all enjoyed L's and G's. Uh, it's not perfect place for me. Uh, it could be better, and I'm not perfect also. Uh, this will be my first episode. I hope that you will like it. Um, that uh, that you will come back soon. Watch another video of mine. Uh, Whether it would be Minecraft video or some other game. I hope that I will be funny. For now, I not funny for me also. Excuse me for English. It's not my native language, so if I make a mistake, please don't judge me. I'm just a poor little boy with a poor family. So, I hope that you enjoyed. We'll make something in this uh, place here. I like it. Uh, so, be well. Take care of you. Take care of yourselves. Come back, of course. Like, subscribe, and I don't know. We'll be remembering this first video in a few years, and we will be laughing how silly I was for killing all these innocent piggies. So take care, bye bye, and see you again soon.